Sir, tama po ba na pwedeng gamitin ang earmark revenues ng national government wherever it pleases?
Yun ang practice po ng natin. But let me
Madam
explain.
Speaker, yung tanong ko po, hindi kung practice siya or hindi. Tama po ba na ginagamit natin ang earmark revenues for other things other than specified in the law?
Madam Speaker, if I may be allowed, parang po siyang agencies, Madam Speaker.
Madam Speaker, cash management does not mean gagastusin mo yung pera pag hindi ginagamit. There's a difference, Madam Speaker. I never said na i-flood natin ng agencies. I'm just simply saying you cannot use the money that's particularly earmarked for a certain project na sinaad natin sa batas.
Pero again,
I did not say na i-flood natin sila. But I'm saying, tama po ba na ginagamit natin yung pera na sinet aside ng isang batas na hindi pwedeng gamitin? Malinaw po ang batas. Bawat section, andito po yan, makapal po yan eh. Ilan ang earmarked revenues natin? Nakaspecify doon, nandun lang siya pwedeng gamitin.
so
Very
again,
specific. Alam ko po yung sinasabi niyong one fund concept. Do you know the history of one fund concept when it started, Madam Speaker, Madam Sponsor?
what is the question?
Yung one fund concept, because yan po yung sanina sinasabi niyo na ito yung cash management, may one fund concept na yun ang sinasabi ng DOF na dun ginagamit. Kaya balikan natin yung history ng one fund concept. Ano ba ang pinanggalingan ng one fund concept, Madam Speaker, Madam Sponsor?
Peace and light in the body, Madam Speaker.
Galing po yun sa Presidential Decree 17, Presidential Decree pa yon during the